Magic House makes every day a great day for kids. And once again, our favorite children's museum is adding something new. Now calling all wannabe superheroes and want-to-be super readers. Based on a hit PBS show, Super Why, Super Readers Power Up is now open. Come inside with me for heading to Storybrook Village in this tour brought to you by the Magic House. Super Readers to the rescue. Superheroes are swooping in to save the day at the Magic House.
We're in the Magic House's traveling exhibit gallery with our newest exhibit, Super Why, Super Readers Power Up.
This immersive exhibit sends kids to Storybrook Village. That's the home of the PBS show, Super Why, where superheroes use the power of reading to solve problems, diving into classic nursery rhymes and favorite fairy tales along the way. So this adventure really starts right here in the book club, right?
Yes, just like in the show. We have the super duper computer.
1, 2, 3. In this world made just for kids, guests are invited to interact with every space.
Put on a superhero cape, decorate a superhero mask, and get to team up with the super readers.
We got a tour with the Magic House's Marissa Lawrence and a few pint-sized heroes.
So we are now in Alpha Pig's house. So his superpower is that he can build words with letters and break them down to spell new words. This is a life-size game where families can work together to discover secret letters.
Super Why's house has so many more learning opportunities. So show me how changing a word can really change a story.
He's not the gingerbread man, he can be the gingerbread monkey. In Wonder Red's house, kids can go into Wonder Red's basket and find letters to spell words. They also are learning about rhyming at the same time. They can put Humpty Dumpty back together again. So we are in Princess Presto's castle, and her superpower is spelling.
Which cupcake would you like?
So at the Teapot Cafe, you can also go through and find the missing letters of the alphabet.
A-M-N-O-P.
Where's Q?
Q's missing.
The exhibit encourages a love for reading and storytelling, and an opportunity to practice literacy skills through interactive play.
In each of the exhibit areas, kids are learning vocabulary and spelling and letter recognition. And in addition to those literacy skills, they're also learning critical thinking and problem-solving skills as they play games and interact with all of the exhibits.
All of it designed and built by the Magic House's talented team.
This exhibit is based off of the PBS Kids TV series, Super Why. It is built by the Magic House in collaboration with PBS Kids and 9 Story Media Group.
Whether you've seen the show or are new to the series, this new exhibit is the perfect place for kids to learn while they play.
When families step into this exhibit, they're really going to feel like they're stepping into the show, into the magical Storybrook Village.
Super Why Super Readers Power Up is included with regular admission through September 7th. And you can plan your visit to the Magic House right now. The Children's Museum is located at 516 South Kirkwood Road. To buy your tickets or see their hours, visit magichouse.org. You can also follow them on social media, and they have some really great events coming up this spring, like Holi, celebrating India's Festival of Color. Then in April, Bunny Hop. That will be a lot of fun around Easter time.
Yeah.